Sometimes markets don't move because of earnings reports. Sometimes they move because confidence shifts. And when confidence starts to wobble, markets tend to respond quickly. That's what we've seen in the precious metals space as renewed geopolitical tensions pushed both gold and silver to new all-time highs. According to Kitco News, rising trade conflict between the United States and Europe sparked a surge in safe haven demand, sending gold above $4,600 an ounce and silver beyond $94. Now here's the key takeaway. This move was not triggered by inflation data or a change in central bank policy. It was driven by uncertainty, specifically uncertainty around trade policy. When the possibility of tariffs entered the conversation, markets didn't wait to see how negotiations might unfold. Capital shifted early, reacting to the risk itself rather than confirmed economic damage. And that behavior matters because it shows how sensitive markets can be when confidence and policy stability start to erode. Now, before we go any further, if you want a clear, easy to understand overview of how physical gold and silver have historically been used during periods of uncertainty like this, Goldco has made that information available in their free gold and silver kit. Just call the number on your screen right now or click the link in the description below to get started. Now let's continue. According to analysts cited by Kitco, tariffs don't just affect trade flows, they can disrupt supply chains, pressure corporate margins, and cloud longer-term growth expectations. And as soon as the probability of escalation increases, defensive capital often moves preemptively before those effects show up in economic data. In that environment, gold tends to draw attention as a way to help balance broader portfolio risk. Analysts noted that market focus shifted away from narrow debates about growth or inflation and toward policy uncertainty itself. That shift helped fuel gold's sharp response. Silver, meanwhile, showed even stronger momentum. While silver shares gold's monetary role, it also remains closely tied to industrial demand. Kitco reported that ongoing supply chain concerns, combined with steady demand from both industry and individuals, helped silver outperform gold during this move. Even with technical indicators suggesting prices were elevated, analysts observed little evidence that buyers were stepping away. At the same time, the US dollar weakened amid these developments, adding further support to both metals. Another important point raised in this article is that the rally unfolded even as expectations for Federal Reserve policy remained relatively stable. Markets continue to anticipate rates holding steady for now. Yet despite reduced expectation for changes later in the year, gold's upward momentum stayed intact. Why? Because this move was not about taxes, it was about confidence. As analysts explain, growing uncertainty around trade relationships and global policy has prompted many market participants to reassess risk across a wide range of assets. In that reassessment, gold and silver continue to attract defensive interest. Silver's dual role, gold's long-standing use during periods of instability, and the broader shift in market psychology all point to the same underlying theme. When uncertainty rises, behavior changes. And hey, if you're interested in learning more about how physical gold and silver fit into a long-term strategy during times like these, Goldco also offers additional benefits for those who qualify, such as up to 10% instant match in bonus silver or a free Ronald Reagan half-ounce coin. To learn more, just call the number on your screen or click the link in the description below. Because when confidence is tested, understanding your options matters.